So this one, AC unit. You can see it's been kind of damp here. We got puddles, and here it's continually putting out. This one's on. We gotta call the EMS. There's no filter. Needs a filter. Basically, we have a leak under here somewhere. And the way that's dripping, I'm thinking it might be inside as well. Like those filters could be replaced too. This thing is on. So we need to call the EMS service and ask them what's up with this one. This is number 1. Numero uno. This one. So somebody went. They've been here before. After this is number 2, numero dos, and they apparently put refrigerant in because there's the cap, and they left this out for some reason. I'm thinking they also put refrigerant in that one, so there's our leak area. So the condensate drain on that HVAC unit was plugged up. And it caused all this problem. So that should be a lesson in maintenance for you. So if you don't maintain the condensate drains, then you get leaks. And you have to call me to come and fix everything.